Hi, my name is Alex with Tech Tutorials, and today I got a special treat for you. We're going to be looking at notifications in Jira. If you've ever been super annoyed with all the notifications that come your way, I'm going to show you a condensed view to be able to see and manage all of your notifications. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you get any values, and if you have any questions about anything that I cover in this video, let me know in the comment section below. Let's jump into Jira. Okay, so here we are in Jira, and mainly what I'm talking about here is pretty much any time that somebody does some interaction in Jira, you're gonna get some notifications, and those notifications can get out of hand sometimes. Now there is a way for you to manage and control the notifications. I'm going to be making a dedicated video for that where it's going to be more of an administrative thing. But this video is really dedicated for pretty much all the end users, really anybody that uses Jira that might not necessarily have control or admin rights to Jira. So over here on the right hand side of the navigation bar, you may have noticed that you have a little bell. And that little bell is for the notifications. Whenever you get some notifications, that little bell is going to have a little red icon, and it's going to tell you, it's going to give you a notification that somebody tagged you in an issue, somebody made an update to an issue you're watching, somebody made some change, right? And Jira's just going to notify you and let you know very gently, very passively that there's something that's calling your attention. Now, when you click on it, you'll be able to see some very basic stuff in here. You're going to be able to see pretty much your notifications. And what I wanted to show you in this video, because this has been around for a very long time, but what is kind of new, what at least I just recently stumbled upon it, and I really, really like it, I'm going to show you here. So pay close attention. At the very top corner, you now have the ability to open in a new tab. And when you do this, notice how you're actually redirected to a whole new website. Now you're back at start.atlassian.com/notifications. And what's interesting here is it's not just the notifications for that Jira instance. It's notifications across different products within the Atlassian ecosystem and notifications across different instances of the same product. So for example, maybe you use your same account to log into 2 or 3 different Jiras. It's going to aggregate all your notifications there. So I think this is really cool because rather than having to log into different Jiras to find out what's being requested of you or what's being updated, you have a single place where you can come and look at everything. And so you have a couple of options here. You can click on direct, which basically means somebody mentioned you. You are like the main topic of discussion here, and somebody's either asking something from you or requesting something of you. And so this direct kind of revolves around you. You are somehow related. So you can see that automation for Jira unassigned you from an issue. So that means I was impacted. I was an assignee, and now all of a sudden I'm not. A byte with Lena changed an issue from record to edit. This was something, again, that I was involved in, but not anymore. And so Jira's telling me that I might be interested in this particular issue because this activity impacts something that I had my fingers in. And so that's the direct. Now, if you're a little bit nosier, maybe you're doing the watching, you have the ability to come over here and you'll be able to see all the different things that you're just watching. So you're just a bystander, right? You're not necessarily the person that made the updates. You're not the person that created the issue. You're not the assignee, but you're just a vested third party, right? And so if you want to kind of just look at those, you can see all the notifications here on the items that you've watched. Now to watch them, you want to click on the little eyeball in the top right corner of any Jira issue, but this is that place where you're going to be able to, again, have an aggregated list of where you're going to be able to see all those activities that are happening pertaining to things that you're interested in. This is really key, right? Because you don't want to see all of the noise. That would be really bad. You're actually just seeing the noise that's relevant to something that you've intentionally wanted to go look at. And you did that by clicking on a little eyeball. So this view is kind of cool. And if you don't want to separate between direct and watching, you can just click on all and it's going to go and bring it to you. Over here, you can also you can mark them all as red. So if you just want to get rid of all the notifications, you can click on that. You can also toggle, so it'll only show you the unread ones, or you can untoggle this and it'll show you everything. And so you can pick whether you want to see just the stuff that hasn't been vetted by you, or you can just view the things everything. You can see all of it. You can also pick by product, so you can be prescriptive and pick Jira or Confluence. I don't have any notifications in Confluence, or you just bring them all in. And so I just thought that I'd make this quick video to show you, just in case you never ventured this far, you can come over here to start.atlassian.com and just have this super condensed aggregated view of all your notifications, so that you don't have to go hunting for when people are asking of something from you, because that's one of the tricks of Jira. Not tricks, but that's one of the friction points, if you will. With so much happening, so many data points coming at you all day long, your teams, right? You just have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people, sometimes all working collaboratively. There's just so much noise. You got emails, Slack messages, you have Jira notifications, you have everything's just coming at you all the time in this current IT world, that it's nice to just have one place where you can go and basically take a deep breath and go, okay, what do I need to tackle? What do I need to look at, right? And so if you've ever struggled with that, recommend you come take a look at this page and really leverage the fact that everything's just in one view for you. That way you don't have to go hunting for information. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you got value out of it. If you did, make sure you drop a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, highly recommend you subscribe. We are almost at 1,000, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that I covered in this video, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.